Woo! We are T-minus 3 days and counting from when we take off again and head south to Florida. And it's a little crazy around here because it feels like we still have weeks worth of things to accomplish before we hit the road, but that's not going to stop us from trying and getting done what we need to get done. Well, the day is here. After a couple false starts, we are actually heading back out on the road today. It is December 4th, and we originally wanted to leave yesterday, but we weren't ready. As you can imagine, having a newborn takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. So the plans that we had in our mind kind of, just weren't fully taking into effect how much time that having a newborn takes. And we know, we've done it before, but sometimes the experience is just a lot more real than the mental planning. This is exciting. We are leaving hopefully in the next hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the RV warmed up, turn the heat on inside, get the Jeep hooked up, and at least get all that stuff ready, do a sweep through the house, and then we're getting on the road. Good morning, little lady. Good morning. Are you ready to go see Yummy and Pop? After an emotional goodbye with Christy's parents, we jumped on the road and headed to North Carolina for a quick visit with my parents. When we left there, we did a quick overnight at a Harvest Host in Georgia, and we were on our way to Panama City Beach, Florida. Yourself a strong man, ladies.
What just happened there?
Well, we've driven 2 6-7 hour days in a row without turning the Jeep on, and I have to leave the ignition on so that the wheel doesn't lock while we're driving, and it just ran the battery down.
So you manhandled it?
So I manhandled it. Little brute force, never heard it. Alright, we got into our site, we're all leveled. We got power hooked up so I can run the ACs because it is it got very, very warm on the way down here. We were not expecting that coming from the 30s in Maryland. Now I gotta go take care of the Jeep. Yes! So it just needed just a touch of juice, but that's awesome. It's our first morning here in Florida, and we knew when we booked this campground that they had a zoo nearby, but it's actually right on the other side of that fence. And I'm not sure what animals they keep right on the other side of that fence, but they make some very interesting noises. Decided to take a beach day and come hang out on the Gulf of Mexico. It's not too sunny, but it's nice. Christy would say it's perfect picture weather.
That's right. I like the clouds.
All right, we're all set up. It's time to chill out and have some fun.
Sierra.
tell me it's pleasant?
What? Very nice, dude.
Clearly have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna blame that on the sand.
Sure. That works. There they are. Have a pretty good sunset going on right now. It's kind of getting chilly out here, but it's been a really good day. Good family time, good fun. It's been a good day. And with all the work that we do and all that kind of stuff, we need these kinds of days. So we'll take them when we can get them. But now it's time to pack up, head back to the RV and find some dinner, and see if we can beat sunset home. Some hot cocoa, yeah. Or hot toddy. It is Saturday.
Well, I was gonna say that. I got some horchata.
That's what a grizzly bear sounds like.
We really enjoyed our time at Panama City Beach. We spent some time at the campground. Made time for some family photos at sunset on the beach. We also hung out in 30A, which is a beach town area that's really cool, and Christy really enjoyed our time hanging out there. We also took Kate on a road school field trip to Camp Helen State Park. There we got to explore the waterways, check out the wildlife, and learn about all the natural features in the area. We even got to check out Morrison Springs with its crystal clear water and get some paddleboarding in. But before we leave Florida and head west to Louisiana, we've got one more stop to make, and this is one that I'm really excited about. Today is a very exciting day. We've been waiting for this for a year, actually almost to a day. Last January 2021 or 2022, we were here in Sanford, Florida, getting our battery system upgrade. So we had the Battleborn batteries and Victron components installed, and that has been amazing. Today, we're putting the icing on the cake, and we're getting some solar panels on the roof. So we're back here in Sanford, Florida with Unplugged RVs, the place that installed our battery system, and we're getting 6 solar panels installed on top. So we are going to pull it into the shop now and get started on this install. All right, all right, all right. What's up, fellas?
How are you? How are you?
Good. Good to see you. What's up, dude? How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Just like I left it.
Yeah, a few more things in here.
Yeah. taking a piece.
That's gotta be on the video.
Oh, it definitely will be.
That has gotta be on the video.
We'll do the hole right here,
Okay.
and then come down. And we have a V-track
Uh-huh.
that goes in the corner that will hide the wires.
Yep.
And then we'll just go through the floor there,
Okay.
straight down, and then we can hit another hole down.
Yeah, I see it. Hopefully we can snake it, fish it from there. Let me go out and look one more time out there. I'll grab that corner bead stuff.
I can see him.
You have a light on? I can see it, yeah. Stay where you're at. You see the snake? Yeah. Yeah, you're on it.
Just like we planned it.
Something like that.
Go ahead and push it through the. There you go. You're through. Looks pretty good. Yep. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna open my side up.
Try and get it all the way.
I'm gonna see how far I can get it. All right. Got it.
These guys don't mess around. We've been here for maybe an hour, a little over an hour, and they've already got all 6 panels up on the roof, positioned. A couple of them are even screwed in already. Got the pilot hole through the ceiling to run the wire down, and everything's kind of getting set up underneath as well with the charge controller. So we are moving right along.
Did you use enough tape? All right, ready? Good? Yeah, you're fine. Yep, you're good. We got plenty. Yeah.
That's good, right?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, it looks great. 35.5 volts. Exactly what we want. Yeah, I can't wait to get it outside and see what it'll do. It's pretty much ready. Whenever this is the number you focus on, this is what it's actually putting into your battery. Yeah, we love this number right here. Oh, 40 amps, easy. Yeah, we're at 46.5 amps going into the batteries and holding. Yeah. That's up there pretty good right now. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love that number.
Everything's all set up. I went in to make sure everything was pre-programmed. From Battleborn, we did all the updates because it's been over a year.
Oh yeah.
So all the updates are done. And you're good to go.
Got you again.